Alright, let's see if this starts. It's got no choke, so that might be a right bastard. I think it might need choke. Let me go rich in it. Alright, I've worked out a primitive choke. Jammed a rag in the air filter housing to create a low pressure to help draw the fuel into the engine. Let's see what happens. Not quite on all cylinders. I need to adjust the time. Oh well, I quickly adjusted the time and mixtures. The front carby wasn't letting any fuel through. So let's see how it starts now. Oh wow. That sounds heaps better than the old engine did. Oh, much stronger too. Very high compression engine. Been worked for the hill really. It's a good tune, but it's running good. I've got to put a fan on it too, so it won't run too long. Thank you. There's the fan. I'll keep it cool for now. Wow, that engine's got a good oil pressure. A little bit warm, but that's still okay. I'll just move the fan a bit closer to it. Ah, everything nice. Very happy. And the automatic works too. Well, she's back on the ground now. First you see how she starts, then if it moves. It's always a good test. Sweet. Oh, I got a gear. Have to straighten the steering wheel. Power steering works. Ooh, it moved. Cool. Well, the engine's running sweet, so I thought I'll just go ahead and put the electric fans in. So here they are. Enough space for everything to work. All nicely wired up now. So there's the thermal switch. And the conduit that runs along here. The main wiring. I'm going to get new relays tomorrow and just change all them. They're just there for now. But there. So all that runs the fans and the air conditioning compressor. Each fan has its own fuse and relay, and the compressor has its own relay, and there's an extra trigger relay. So when the air conditioner comes on, it triggers these two relays there. Like these two, to turn fans on. It's wired up so nothing can feed back into anything else and power something when you don't want it. And that all runs down to the main feed wire of the alternator. Alright, well tomorrow put the bonnet on and go for a good drive. Thank you for watching.